trapped in a digital nightmare, unable to reach out for help, all while being psychologically manipulated for nearly 2 days. Sounds terrifying, right? This is exactly what social media influencer Ankush Bahuguna recently went through. In an emotional Instagram video, he opened up about being digitally held hostage by scammers for 40 hours. Let's break down what happened and, more importantly, how you can protect yourself from falling into a similar trap in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Soumyangi Yadav. It all started with a call from an unlisted international number, a seemingly ordinary moment that spiraled into chaos. The caller claimed a package addressed to Ankush had been cancelled and urged him to press a number for more details. Curiosity got the better of him and he complied, a decision he now calls the biggest mistake of his life. From there, Ankush was connected to a so-called customer support representative who claimed the package contained illegal substances. Within minutes, Ankush found himself on a WhatsApp video call with someone pretending to be a Mumbai police officer. This fake officer accused him of being involved in a national case of money laundering and drug trafficking. They told him he had just 1 hour to prove his innocence or face arrest. To make matters worse, the scammers isolated him completely. He wasn't allowed to call anyone, reply to messages, or even step outside. What is more terrifying is that Ankush is not the only one who has fallen prey to such scammers. In fact, these cybercrimes are becoming increasingly common, especially among youngsters. And this is just one type of scam. Other includes illegal parcel scams where callers claim a package contains banned substances and demand money to resolve the issue. While it might be challenging to reduce our internet and screen times in 2025, staying vigilant against scammers is more important than ever. To help you recognize the warning signs and protect yourself, let's hear from a cybersecurity expert on how to spot a scam and avoid falling victim to one.
I would say having a little bit of paranoia is actually very good. Consider every call that you get might be a potential scam, and also know your risk appetite. For example, if a friend messages you from a new number and asks you for like 1,000 rupees, are you fine losing out the 1,000 rupees or are you not? Let's say if they ask you for 1 lakh rupees, what will you do then? So define your risk appetite, whatever it is, and then you call them back to double check if you are actually talking to them and the message is actually coming from them or not. And also at the same time, limit sharing access to your personal information on social media and keep as much as possible private. Scammers rely on manipulating your emotions. They will inculcate a sense of urgency and also pose a threat. They will prey on your emotions. For example, like police is coming to arrest you if you do not respond to something immediately, or let's say your order delivery will go back or something like that. So next time when somebody says that, oh, I'm from police, will come to your house or etc., ask the police station and you only pay them a visit, or ask them to come to your house. If it's a parcel, at any given point of time somebody is getting a parcel delivered, right? So when, let's say, if somebody random person calls you and say, I am from this parcel delivery, you need to give me this OTP and all, we do not think twice, but just double check if any deliveries of yours are out today, and if you actually need to share some OTP or call a number as suggested. It's better to actually delay a parcel than lose your life savings.
Has anything like this ever happened to you? Let us know in the comments below. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more. We will be back with another video tomorrow. Till then, stay safe.